That's me. Today's project features Let's Resin Jar Mold and a whole lot more. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time to Rough Around the Edges with yours truly, me, Sherry. Glad you're here today. Go on, pull up your seat, pull up a chair, sit across the table from me, and let's have some fun today. I want to use my Let's Resin pudding jar mold again today. I have used this so many times in so many different projects, so many different ways, and I want to do it again today. One thing I haven't done with this jar mold is to create it in a pink vibe. Different pink glitters, rhinestones. So if you need a good gift idea for a special daughter, a granddaughter, or just for yourself, go on. Let's give it a try. Watch me give it a shot today. Get your own ideas and thoughts flowing. Grab you one of these molds. I'll link it in the description box below. But right now, I'm going to get some resin mixed up. We're going to get some glitters mixed up and ready to go. Get it poured and begin designing. All right? Are you ready? I'm ready. I hope you're ready. Okay, let's go. All right. I have got a little over 4 ounces of clear epoxy resin because this jar mold takes a little over 5. I'll put the exact measurements on the screen right there. But because I'm going to be adding so much glitter, whether it be a thick glitter or a fine glitter, that'll add to the bulk. So right now I've got 4, a little over 4. So I'm going to get this nicely mixed. We'll do this on a fast forward. Pretty self-explanatory, right? All right. Oh, camera.
Yes.
Can you send us into a fast forward, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Now that I have my resin mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and just add a lot of glitter in. I've got a ton of different little trial glitters, and I figured, why not utilize them? Let me set them right over here. Let's go ahead and get our thick, chunky mix in here first. Well, I just doused this one with a lot, didn't I? Goodness. It's pretty, though. We're going to do a little of this and a little of that kind of thing. Oh, you know what I do want to add? My Slice of the Moon Shimmer powder. Yes, please. This stuff is awesome. I will also link it in the description box below. Okay, so let's just get our gloopiness mixed in there. Well, our beautiful gloopiness, I might add. Glad to see you're still with me. Okay, it's the next day. This part is cured. This part is still open, and we haven't done the lid yet. So I went ahead and I have mixed up some more epoxy. It's ready to go. I'm going to do the lid in a black mica powder, and I'm going to add a little bit of Shimmer Sparkle in there as well. So let's do that quickly. We'll jump right into a fast forward and get it poured. Okay, so I have quite a bit of my black mica powder and my shimmer mica powder left. So I'm going to pour it into these little, well, this is a Christmas ornament, another one, a little pink one and a star, and then the good old butterfly here. And then I can decorate them. Let's see how far this gets us. Okay, good, you're still here. It's time to unmold. Let's unmold our jar. Well, let's do our lid first. How about that? It's just plain black, but you need it to make the jar a whole piece. Okay, looks so far so good, looks good. All right, I'm gonna set you right there. No bubbles here. Any down here, because this mold has been known to, I feel like that's just too tiny to even try to fix with UV resin. I can't even see it, I can just feel it. So, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, now this I see, oh, that's not a bubble, that's glitter. Okay, let's get this peeled back right here with my dotting tool. Get it unmolded and see what we're working with here. Remember, I filled the bottom of this to match this. Oh, wow. Now that's sparkly, all right. Oh, that's beautiful. Great, it turned out great. Oh, I love that. Yeah, that is just a pretty color combination. It's time to start decorating all our goodies. Except I don't think I'm going to do anything to the little birds. I don't know. You ready to go start decorating? I know I am. We're in it together, okay? Let's go. Let's let the B7000 dry up. Don't go anywhere because we'll have some pictures at the end. And also, with those pictures, I know I put several of finished jars that I have done at the beginning, but I'll slow it down and include those at the end of this video as well. Okay? I still got a little more to work on these extras and then hang out just a little bit longer, okay? Just a second. Yeah, thanks for joining me today. Hang out, wait for those pictures. And oh, yeah, like, share, give me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy anything that I'm doing. That way you make sure you don't miss any new fun, adventure, or strange things that I'm going to be putting together. All right, here comes some pictures. Thanks for watching today. Bye.
so wide. Every moment by your side. Laughter echoes through the air. Joyful hearts beyond compare.